Hello everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making a vegan tiramisu. And I will start by adding the cashews in the food processor. I'm gonna be grinding them coarse, okay? And here I have espresso coffee, and I'm gonna add some rum to the espresso coffee. And it's up to you if you wanna a little stronger, you can add more. And in the espresso coffee, I'll be adding some maple syrup, okay? And you can try it if you want it sweeter, you can do it sweeter. And here I have pot for the tiramisu, everything is here ready. And the crackers that I'm using are the premium crackers, and they're unsalted. So I'll start by dipping the crackers in the coffee. And this is my way of doing this tiramisu. You can make the cookies, but you know, much easier with these crackers, because I've made it before and it was delicious. Okay, we'll start with the cream. Here I have cashew cream, which you can get the recipe under Nonnas Mangia. And with a spatula, you smoothen it up. So that's the layer now. Here I have some grated chocolate, finely chopped, and it's vegan. The one that I'm using today, it's this one. And this is my way of doing this tiramisu. And this is the cashews. Now we'll do cocoa. We'll do again the crackers. This, you can just put some more coffee on top. And this tiramisu, it's best the next day. It needs to be refrigerated at least for a couple hours. So really, this is just to give you an idea, you know, how the way I make it. So it doesn't matter if you put the nuts before or after, you know, it doesn't matter in each way they go, you know. Just put some more coffee on top. There you go. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, the tiramisu, it's ready. It's been in the fridge for a couple hours. It's ready for mangiare. I just got a piece and I'm gonna try it to see how it is. You can see the layers. It's nice, eh? And it's an easy vegan tiramisu. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.